Santa Clarita is your favorite appliance repair technician, Big Al's Appliance Repair. If you're still having issues with your Samsung ice maker after you've had multiple companies come out and try to resolve the problem, you fear no more. I can fix this. I'm the only technician and the only company that has been able to successfully repair the ice maker issue on these Samsung refrigerators in all of California, if not all of the U.S. I have had no redos, no callbacks, and no issues after the repair, and I've worked on thousands of these. I can fix it. Give me a call. We also work on washing machines. If your washing machine is leaking, it has a weird smell, a funny noise, it's not draining properly, I can take care of that for you. If your dryer has a smoky smell, you haven't had a maintenance in a long time, it has a weird noise, or it's not heating, I can take care of it as well. We've been working in the Santa Clarita Valley for over 14 years, and we make all of our customers happy. Look at the before and after on this dryer that we service. That top picture, that was a fire hazard. Look at all that lint and hair. We took care of the customer. We have the latest diagnostics tools to get your washing machine, your dryer, your refrigerator, anything up and running. If your washer is leaving black streaks or black gunk marks on your whites, or it's not washing properly, we can take care of it. We can take care of any appliance that you throw at us. We also work on ovens, dishwashers, microwaves. We install them as well. If your oven is not heating up properly, or is out of range, or is getting too hot, or is not getting hot enough, we can take care of it. Check out our Yelp reviews. Give us a call. Send us